What the? What is going on? What's going on? I don't know, bro. I keep on fucking blowing through. Well, first of all, your amps are too high. With 8-inch motor, you should be around like 95.
What the hell? I was on 370.
That's too high. And make sure also you control your speed and arc length.
Arc length? Okay, and the speed?
Yeah. And also, if you put the pedal all the way down, that's full. That's maximum amp. If you know, just kind of put it halfway and play with it.
So I can control it with the pedal. That's how I can control how hot it is.
Yep.
Okay. So that's how I control the heat with TIG welding.
And man, I'm trying to water. Can you tell me how to use it?
Yeah, bro. No problem. I got you. So this is the on switch. Okay. And today we're going to be TIG welding. And this right here is your TIG torch. And this back part that screws off is called the back cap. This is how you can tighten the tungsten, and it keeps the tungsten in there. This right here is the tungsten. And right now in a minute, I'll go show you how to sharpen it. This is the collet. This keeps the tungsten in there. This is the TIG cup. They have a bunch of different types and stuff for different, pause. This is the TIG cup. There's a bunch of different sizes depending on what you're doing. This little guy right here, this is the gas lens. And all of these have to be in the torch in order for it to work properly. So first you do in the gas lens, screw it in, just hand tight, make sure there's no gaps. And then you'll do the collet. Alright, so once you got the gas lens, then you'll put the collet right back there. And then you'll grab the tungsten. You push it right through there. You screw on the back cap. Just hand tight. When you loosen the back cap, you're able to slide the tungsten in and out to get the proper length for the cup. So see, it needs to come out a little bit, so I'll just loosen up the back cap and get it out to right about there. Okay? So now your torch is all set up. This right here, this is your foot pedal. This is how you're able to control the heat with TIG welding. When the foot pedal is all the way down, that's at the max amps you have set up on the machine. So if it's getting really hot while you're welding, you can let off the pedal, or if you need to get more heat, you can max it out. Okay? And obviously you gotta have your ground pushed up to the workpiece or a metal table that the workpiece is touching. And once you get all that set up, you have to make sure you have gas. So you'll flip on the argon, and then you'll press down the pedal, and you can kind of adjust it right here. So depending on what type of flow meter you have, you'll have to adjust the ball to the right thing. Ours right now, it says the middle of the ball to the 21. Okay? All right, bro, you got everything hooked up. You should be good to go.
All right, thank you. I'm just gonna give it a try.
Yes, sir.
Wait, before you gotta do that, you gotta prep the material. In TIG welding, everything needs to be clean, so you have to grind off all the mill scale off this, or there'll be contamination in the weld. You also have to make sure your tungsten's sharp, and then another thing is you have to clean all your fill rods with acetone. Let me go show you how to do it. This is a tungsten sharpener. In order to sharpen your tungsten, you're gonna turn it on, find the right size hole for the tungsten size you're using, put it in there, return it. And this is the point that you're looking for, the sharpness. This is how sharp you want your tungsten to be. If you don't have a tungsten sharpener, you can also use this bench grinder.
oh, I'm just cleaning my filler rods. You didn't know you have to do that? Oh shit. So in TIG welding, you want to make sure everything is clean, including the filler rods. So what we do is we have this little brush here and acetone. We just want to scrub it down real good and make sure there's no impurities on the rod before you start welding. Alright bro, so now since you've got your welder all set up, your filler rod's clean, your tungsten sharpened, the material's clean, we should be good to go. A couple techniques I like to do is, first I start by heating up the base metal a little bit, and then I dab my filler rod in, and I watch the puddle go right to the edge. And one technique I like to do is, it's almost like a little movement like this, and then dab. Move a little bit, dab. Move a little bit, dab. And each time you dab, you want to watch the puddle grow out and fuse to the base metal completely. And you want to make sure the puddle is consistent the whole way, the size of it, the height of it, and how much filler rod you're putting in. So when you dab your filler rod, you want to make sure you're doing about a 16th at a time each time you dab it in. And so you move, dab, move, dab, move, dab, just like that the whole way. And keeping the arc length the same and keeping the same speed.
All right, thanks, bro. We give it a try.
Yes, sir.
Oh, bro, that's really good work. Thank you.
Yes, sir.